The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new VeChain video, and right now VeChain is not doing that well, but it's actually doing that well. We're gonna talk about that, and we're gonna say that this is actually quite good for VeChain. Before we start, everybody, thanks for subscribing to the channel and liking the video, because it does keep me motivated to doing these videos and showing up every day. I try to show up every day. That said, if you need some kind of help with picking out coins, you don't know what's good, what's bad, you don't know what's gonna pump, what's not gonna pump, and your way of buying coins is looking whatever pumped 200% and buying that. Maybe you need some kind of help. Check out the link down below for the Patreon. That might save you some worrying. Anyways, let's see what's happening with VeChain right now. VeChain right now looking, how is it looking? It's looking fine. Unfortunately, Bitcoin decided up here, to dump the price. Now we are already going towards the downside, so this was not actually unexpected. We pumped just a lot here with 1 day pullback and then continue pumping. So we are a little bit extended from the moving averages, so we need to have some kind of move back down to the 10 or 20 moving average, either you want it or not. So this dump down here is not actually anything unexpected. On a lot of other coins, it was unexpected, and it was unexpected dump, but we are already correcting and pulling back, so the dump didn't do that much damage. Not only that, this dump down here was only 13%, and it was only 4.52% on the downside. Not only that, we closed with a very nice margin above the 10 moving average up here, all the way up here. And not only that, the next day we even had a green candle. Unfortunately, today we are dumping a little bit more on the downside, but that just shows that this pullback is not yet finished. So I'm looking, because you can see down here this 20 moving average, how nicely has been holding for a long time. This price move towards the upside, and right now we might even go all the way down towards that something like 0.146 or something like that towards the downside, and still be totally fine, as long as we get a big pump to a day after towards the upside, and continue going towards the upside eventually. But the way I see it as some kind of pullback over here happening, and I don't see this actually going over that long period of time. You can see right now that let me just remove this line up here, that the dump is kind of going some kind of what are we gonna say, some kind of parabolic move towards downside, and just like parabolic move towards the upside cannot sustain, it needs to correct. Parabolic move towards downside cannot sustain, it need to correct. So after this correction up here, we're gonna see the follow through towards the upside or more downside, but I think it's gonna be more likely follow through towards the upside. So this move up here is getting close to some kind of ending right down here. There is some kind of support here that is waiting to break. Even if it breaks the support and it continues going towards the downside, I'm seeing some kind of support down here at what's that, 0.147 give or take, this 20 moving average on the daily time frame. I don't think we should go below that, because I mean, we can wick down and stuff like that, but I don't think we should close down here. And as long as we do not close below this level down here, below the 20 moving average, you can see here it's been holding us forever, everything is fine. Although it is big move towards downside from the top up here, of course 20% downside, it's a correction, consolidation, pullback, call it whatever you want to call it. It's a normal move, because these moves do come from time to time, and right now it is time to get these big moves. You can see how short periods of time has been going through these moves up here. So right now we have been having a big move towards the upside, so you gotta have 20% move pullback, and after that we can continue towards the upside. So just because Bitcoin is pulling back doesn't mean that altcoins are dying, that this is the end of the bull run or whatever. It just means it's a pullback. Not only that, VeChain looks perfectly fine, although it is minus 6% down. It's minus 6% down because it was a little bit overextended. It needs to pull back more than other coins, but I think eventually it will continue going towards the upside, and I don't see anything bearish on the chart right now. It does look fine to me. It only depends where it will find the support. There is, of course, like we said, down here at 0.147 support. There is also this line down here. You can see here this double bottom down here, some kind of double bottom that creates this very nice support that we are tapping right now. So even if we break that, I hope that we might eventually get above that and climb back towards the sky. That said, come back tomorrow, same time, same place, guys. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, check out the link down below for the Patreon. It might help you, pick some coins and not nice community at least, if nothing else. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you around. Bye bye.